Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be making another thick smoothie bowl using the beautiful pink dragon fruit. If you haven't seen my last smoothie bowl video as yet, where I added some vegetables, I will link that in this video and also down below in the description bar. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and for those who are returning, welcome back. Now to see how I put this refreshing smoothie bowl together, keep on watching. All the ingredients that I'm going to be using in this video to make this smoothie bowl will be listed down below in the description bar. For the toppings, I'll be using some fresh strawberries, ripe bananas, blueberries, granola, and some coconut flakes. However, you can use any toppings of your choice. Today I'm going to be using a Vitamix blender. It comes with this really cool tamper tool that helps to push the food down into the blade while blending. You really don't need to use a Vitamix blender to get a thick smoothie bowl. However, a blender with at least 900 watts is preferable. I'm going to go ahead and add all my ingredients. Once I've added all the ingredients to the blender, I'm going to start blending on the slowest speed, then immediately turn to the highest speed. The blender might sound like it's jamming. Simply use your tamper tool and push the fruit down into the blade. If you're using a blender without a tamper tool, you will need to stop the blender, remove the lid, use a spoon or spatula to push the fruit down into the blade, return the lid and start blending again. You might need to repeat this process a few times until you have your desired consistency. The actual blending for me using a Vitamix blender took approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Once you've reached your desired consistency, transfer to a serving bowl and add your toppings. There you have it guys, the beautiful pink dragon fruit smoothie bowl. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next upload. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.